Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going on with
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Yes, the R2-D2, as you saw there. We're going on with it. Last time we left off, let me just get that camera in there. You'll see my other camera, but so this is what we left off last time. As you can see, pretty much a big one. We did that, and we made that with all the nooks and crannies that are in there. This is the next stage, and that is 83, as you can see in the top camera right now, right there. 83, building R2-D2, planning lightsaber battle part 2. We had that in the previous magazine, and this technology nowadays. Body frame and rotary sensor. Well, that's a quick one. And then the rotary sensor, I don't know how long that is going to take, but we're going to put those on and we're going to test it, and the testing board is right there. So this is a slightly longer one than normal, but let's go and start this with that, and these, like so, and we're screwing in from the top, silver screws. I think it's these. Yep, they are. We're getting that one closer as well, putting the glasses out of sight. Turn that camera lens a little bit more to where we are. That's on. And now we're going to build those sensors after this. And that is what we should have when we're done. So we're going to put that to the side, right where you see my hand go. And then we're going to build these. And that's some kind of piece of rubber. Alright. We're putting that one in. Doing the same thing on the other side. So there's a left and a right on that. That's the right one. That's the left one. Are these exactly the same? These are exactly the same, so that's not going to change anything at all. We're going to put them on like so, and put some of those black 6mm screws in there. Don't tighten it, fully tighten it just yet. That's one. Do the same thing here. Let's get that one out. We're putting that on. As you can see, where I put that rubber thingy on, then I'm putting a flange screw like that one right there. And now we need to figure out which side of these is left and which is right. Okay, I think this is the way. I think I've done it correct. I put the right on the right side. All right, carefully hold that. We're doing the same thing on this side. And if you look at the picture right here, that is what we have, as you can see. This is the right side and this is the left side. All right, let's see what the next step is. Carefully put that down. We're getting this one out. And the sensors go on this side. And we've got the pins right there to put on the other way around, like so. You can see it on the top, on that camera right there right now. As you can see, that is pretty good. So we put that on, and we put a 8mm. That's a long one. Must be this one then. And we are going to put some oil on that because it needs to go in such a long way. Now let's see what we put right there. 4mm. It must be these. Compare that. Yeah, they're double the size. That's correct. And we're going to put some oil on that as well. You see right there what the orientation is as well. And let me just get that close so it's easier for me to screw in. And we're going to test the whole thing with that circuit board with just these. And let's just loosen them up and see. That's not doing anything at all. Let's see if this one does anything. Okay, I put it in the wrong position. So let's try it on the other one as well. Let's turn this off. Yep, that's good. So what you see is if when you put a little piece of metal between these, it feels that it's there, so it knows to stop. Same goes on that other side. But let's put that all away. It's tested. And let's put that wire around it again to keep it neat and tidy. Sorry about that, but I need to cool down a little bit. Neatly packed away. We're going to put that to the side. Carefully not putting that on any circuit board or anything like that. That's 83 done. We're going to 84. Right in front of you, 84. Still building the R2-D2, the new approach. We're working on the arms there in front. This whole squiggly things that we can put out there. This is what we should have. And we're going to test it as well. That's nice. To see if it works. So let's see how we put that together. They're calling it the spacecraft's linkage arms. I didn't see those. I thought they'd forgotten something. Yeah, the 6mm screws are going in from underneath, and we're going to do that twice, I think. I should have learned this. I was scared again. Yep. So we're going to put one of those Loveless screws on. Putting those aside. We're getting that one out. We're getting that one out. We're getting that one out. And 2 6mm. So we're putting it in like so, then putting that one over it and screwing them down. 2 of those black 6mm self-tapping screws. Then we're going to get that one, and that one out. All right. So we're going to put that one on there. Right there. Then we're putting a 6mm screw on top of that. Then we're pushing these in from underneath, 2 of them, both sides. Oh, these are not easy to put in. All right, let's see if I can do it with gloves. Yeah, that's not going to work. Oh, come on, my fingers are hurting like crazy. I don't know how to do this, but you need to push that through, but it's so bloody hard. I should have said that earlier. So they're not exactly the same, so which one goes where? In this case it doesn't matter, I think, because we can still change it over. Sorry about that. I'm pushing these into these arms that you see there, and then we're going to put that arm on. I think I've done it right. Goodness gracious me, first one goes in really easy, and then second one, and there it is. And it wants it the other way around. Oh, goodness gracious me. My goodness gracious me. I'm turning that thing on again. I'll come back to you when it's on there, because I'm sweating like an otter. Okay, this one is done as well, and we're going to push this one over it. No, under it. Because you need to do that, because it needs to be in the right position. All right. All right, I've got them in. Then we're taking one of these brackets out, and I don't think it matters which side you put it on, just as long as you put it on. Screw them down. Okay, we've got that on. Then we're gonna put this little engine in there. These are these tiny, teeny. So we put that one on. Then we're gonna put this one over it. Then we put 2 screws in there. Now there should be normal black screws. Let's put the first ones. These are the 6 mils as well. That's why they wouldn't go in that easy. So I need to get out the screw box. One more pack to go, and I'm on 40 minutes already. That's due to the fact that I was struggling with those pins to put in. But we will do 3. No, otherwise I do 2. We'll see it. We'll see. 40 minutes is pretty darn long for me, to my taste. So, and I can use a cool down after this. So we're gonna test these arms, and then we're gonna call it a day for these few stages. Okay, let's get everything out. And I need a sip. I need a sip, guys. I think I need the whole shebang. Right there. And the other one goes over there. Then we're going to unlock and put that. Something has not gone right. I think I've put them the wrong way around. All right, something you have to take care of, and I'll show you in a moment. These little brackets, sorry, let me just put them in. These little brackets that you see right there have a little notch right there, meaning that they are going in a certain way. The one on this side is the RBP49, and this is the L left BP48. So that is how it helps you. If you're holding it left, this is the left hand one and this is the right hand one. And if you look at it then, there you go, it goes all the way and it closes all the way. There you go. That's it for this stage. Thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful R2-D2 as you see right there. It took me quite some time, so I'm stopping it after 2 stages, but I hope you will join me next time when I do some more of this beautiful R2-D2. Check out my channel, have a look at the posters I have up there and behind me, and you see what I have on my channel. But check out my channel as well and have a look. Please subscribe and like the videos as well. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.